To swap a Trust Wallet, you need to create a new wallet and transfer your existing funds to the new wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app and tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Create Wallet and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. You will be asked to back up your new wallet by writing down the recovery phrases and storing them in a safe place. It is crucial to keep your recovery phrases secure as they can be used to access your wallet. Once you have created and backed up your new wallet, go back to the main screen and select the wallet you want to swap from. Tap on the Receive button and copy the address of the coin you want to transfer. Then open the new wallet and tap on the Receive button. Select the same coin and paste the address into the send form of the old wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to be transferred. It is essential to note that transaction fees may apply when transferring funds between wallets. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your old wallet to cover the transaction fees. After transferring all your funds to the new wallet, you can delete the old wallet from the app. To do this, go to the settings icon, select Manage Wallets, and then remove the wallet you want to delete. Remember to always keep your recovery phrases and private keys secure and never share them with anyone. By following these steps, you can successfully swap your Trust Wallet and keep your funds safe and secure.